slow.
All right, nigga, like wild out. Just do something. I don't know.
Diego, get the hell out of there. Do you for a minute, Rob? Jam out. Jam, something. Act like you're rapping to us.
Act like you rapping, nigga. Rap the song to us. Yeah, I gotta play the song now. Oh my god.
It's alright, you can edit all this shit.
This shit is funny as hell.
Never learn, heart is gon' burn. Let it go, feel the pain flow. Feel my soul, let the pain go.
Alright, now we need a whole. Okay.
Oh god.
We're still gonna get this other shot.
What other shot?
I'm talking to him, so.
Alright, bro, look to your right. Just rap, I guess.
Like a kid, feel the wind, just to run. This the end, don't want love, no not this. Heart, all by itself, never stay. Trust, swear to God, always just be fake. Don't want her, so a nigga had to step away. Don't want love, so I won't ever feel the pain.
Touchdown!
Bitch, you better not.
You're worried about shoes, I'm worried about your phone.
Look at the stars, tell me what you with. Watch myself, like you with.
Who's that creeping in my window?
Bro, y'all ever seen, y'all know the Apple Jacks? Y'all know the fucking cinnamon stick? Oh, I'm so sorry. Look at these guys.
I'll be trying to hit this shit, man. I can't hit this shit.
Emphasis on trying,
Every time I hit this shit, I cough, man.
Yo.
Love hurts. Yeah, love hurts. Feelings never work, never learn. Heart is gon' burn. Let it go, feel the pain flow.